Hi. Slime. Yeah, guys, today we're making slime. My grandma's on the sidelines helping me because I can't do anything. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm gonna put some music in or else it's gonna be really boring. So, we start out with 3/4, so we need
3 to 4 cups.
I do that. But first, safety first, kids. I feel like I'm making a shaving cream sandwich. And now 1 more cup. Actually, no, we need 2 more cups. Yeah! A 1/2 cup of white glue. And you know, kids, to make sure your glue's good, you gotta take a little sip. Some good glue. Alright, so we have our entire 1/2 cup of Elmer's white glue, so just open it. Oh yeah, look at that. So we're probably going to end up using more than what we're supposed to with this because this is what makes it stick together. So if we have a little bit of trouble with it sticking together and clumping up, then I'm probably just going to use a little bit of this. And now stir. Alright guys, here we go. Well, here's our slime so far. Alright guys, I just went and changed my shirt because that's a good shirt and I don't want to get it dirty or ruined. I changed into a shirt that is okay to get messy and I'm going to start. So they farted again. Well guys, I did it. And here is the final result. Fluffy slime. I think I'll do a montage. I don't know.